Hey guys, so we have in front of us the very first seedlings of 2025 and they are so cute. I'm very excited, so excited in fact that I might be getting a little ahead of myself. Let me catch you up. All caught up? Excellent. So these are my tomato sprouts, and these are the future of our salsas, our sauces, sun-dried tomatoes, all of that. And I am so thrilled to have green in my house again. And it's not that long until I'm going to be able to plant these out. Something like maybe 6 weeks from now, these will be going out into the ground, and then it'll be like a couple months after that, and we will be into tomato season. There are also a couple of basil sprouts right now, but mostly it's just the tomatoes. I'm still waiting on things like my peppers and eggplant to sprout, which is not a big deal. They generally do take a little bit longer. Tomatoes really jump the gun. They are a beginner gardener plant for a reason. They sprout like crazy. They are so easy to transplant. It's like really hard to kill them. And then you put them outside and they just grow, very, very easy. The red currants actually came up first, like a few hours before anything else did. And since these are a wild type tomato, that makes perfect sense. Wild types are generally more enthusiastic and hardy than their more cultivated counterparts. Look at that. We've got a little baby with 3 little seedling leaves. All right, so I had gone ahead and pulled those out for you so you could actually see them, because getting my camera under these lights is just, not very good viewing. But you can see we've got a couple more trays going right now. That is the peppers and the eggplant. And currently there's nothing really to see in them, but I'm thinking in the next few days, maybe 5 at the most, we'll be seeing sprouts. Still no ginger sprouts. And at this point, this is where I start getting worried every single year, right? It always takes so much longer than I'm expecting for the ginger to actually start sprouting. As soon as I said that, I looked a little closer. You see that? That's the ginger poking out from the soil. And that is some green on the top. So in reality, we're fine. Everything is absolutely fine. I was freaking out for no reason. So today I'm taking all of these peppers that I have had dried out, just laying around from the summer, and I'm finally gonna do something with them. Today I'm making chili oil, which is quickly becoming my number 1 favorite condiment. I put it on everything. I actually really like this recipe because it is pretty authentic compared to some of the other recipes you might find. And I will link the original creator of the recipe down below if you want to check out their recipe. But I do highly recommend it. I think it is excellent. I also really like using this recipe to kind of use up all the random peppers that I get that I don't really have a specific use for. You know, sometimes I will have like, I don't know, 2 of these and 3 of those just got left over, or like stuff that I thought I would use for fresh eating. I wasn't going through it fast enough, so I dried some of them. And it's not really enough to make like a big batch of specific type of pepper powder out of, but it is enough to kind of mix together into a chili oil. You could also take just a mishmash of peppers and put that all into a powder and use it like that. I just happen to prefer chili oil over pepper powders in general. I had to change clothes while this was cooling because I'm about to go out to my dance class. However, look at this. Look at that color. Isn't that just like the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? Oh, I am so excited for this.